when is it time, or if it's ever time, to seek the advice of someone to aid you through this process if it becomes too difficult for you at times, or you feel too on nerve?
The time is whenever you feel called. You feel called. As long as you recognize that others are coming to supplement your own internal wisdom, not to give you everything. They're just there to offer some validation, to give you a resource, to just give you a thing or two. But as long as you don't give all of your power away to another individual, that's what's important here. So by all means, read books, explore, connect with different people, and just know that ultimately your goal is not to park yourself with them and say, okay, I've made it. This is my person. I'm going to hang out here. Your goal is to, take what they're offering. Thank you so much. I'll be on my way now. Maybe you have to revisit with them for sure. But any good teacher, any good guide wants to create other teachers and guides. They don't want to create students that are going to sit with them forever. They want to create teachers that are going to be even better than they are, even more advanced than they are. So you can use that as your kind of measure. Is this person saying, okay, come sit with me. This is going to be a 5-year process. We're going to do these things, meet with me once a week, or you got to you got to join my community, and you got to get all your friends to join too. Then it's a little, I don't know. But if it's like somebody that just like freely offering what they can, and if you want to stay and hang out for sure, but they're not saying you have to, it's because they're recognizing that you got your own journey to move ahead on. So that's something to keep in mind. I don't think that it's twofold and it's paradoxical. Yes, on one hand, the answers are all within us. It's true. You could go to a cave, you'd figure this out. You would. It may take some time. But here's the thing. I think we came here into society, into the cities, to have a bit of an exciting journey where we can connect with other people and learn these different modalities and ideas and have conversations, and just makes it more exciting. You could totally go and sit in your room and you figure this out eventually. It's just so much more exciting to have conversations and relate and support each other along the way. So that's something to keep in mind. If you feel called to seek support, go ahead. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But ultimately, at the end of the day, you return back to yourself. You're your own teacher. You're your own master.